Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a chunk loader in Minecraft Bedrock Edition. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So all you have to do is to find a simple, nice land like this one right here that is going to be close to your chunk. Now it is preferable that if you can find a bee nest or any tree that has a bee nest next to it, this will increase the chances of it working because of the new update for it to be around. So once you have that there, you're going to just be right next to it. And then from here, you're going to find an area such as this one, and you're going to dig down for 8 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then from here, you're going to just fill and cut down each of these from down right there, and then make like a cube. Once that is done, you're going to fill all this area with sandstone. So if you have sandstone, you're just going to fill it like that, gather it, and then just have it like that. Then from here, you're going to just add water buckets slowly, and you're going to just jump right after each one. And then from here, once you're done, and then you're out, then you're going to place trapdoors around this water. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then finally, you're going to grab your ender pearl and you're going to throw it right in here in the bottom. And just like that, once you throw it on it, it's going to stay right here and it's going to enable the chunk. And while it's floating and it's close to the beehive, then that will keep the chunk loaded. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.